Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to install Microsoft Copilot in Windows. If you're ready to supercharge your productivity with Microsoft's AI-powered assistant, stay tuned. Before we jump into the installation process, let's quickly talk about what Microsoft Copilot is. Copilot is an AI-powered assistant integrated into various Microsoft 365 applications, designed to help you with tasks, provide suggestions, and streamline your workflow. It's like having a co-pilot right by your side. All right, let's get started with the first method: installing Microsoft Copilot via the Microsoft Store. This is the most straightforward way. Open the Microsoft Store from your Start menu. In the search bar, type Microsoft Copilot and press Enter. Once you find the app, click on it, and then click Get or Install. Wait for the installation to complete, and hurrah! You now have Microsoft Copilot installed. Now let's move on to the second method: installing Microsoft Copilot through a website. Since Microsoft Copilot is the only access by limited members from Microsoft, what you actually do is go to code.visualstudio.com, and you just need to go to Extensions. And then you just need to search for Copilot here on the search box. Now what you'll be looking for is the GitHub Copilot. You can click on it. There's a free trial that you can use here. This actually is an AI assistant that helps you with programming Smilar to Copilot as well. But another thing here is that you can also purchase the Microsoft 365 as well, so that if there are any updates with the Microsoft Copilot, and that's already available for everyone, you will be able to use and take advantage of its features for the Microsoft Copilot. After that, let's move on to the third method to install Copilot. To do that, first, let's go to the Microsoft Edge and search for copilot.microsoft.com. And there you'll have the Copilot AI. We can ask it anything, for example, what is Copilot? And it gives us an amazing overview of Copilot AI. Now to download it, let's click on three dots at the top. Here, go to Apps and click on Install this app. Now choose the options in Allow this app dialog box. Then click Allow. Now close the tabs and check the app. Here it has been installed successfully. Let's open it. Amazing, right? And there you have it, 3 easy ways to install Microsoft Copilot on your Windows machine. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.